Owayengungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uNkosinathi Nhleko wafaka isicelo ekhomishaneni sokuphosa ngemibuzo uRobert McBride emva kwezinsolo aziveza ngaye mayelana nodaba lwabantu baseZimbabwe abakulelizwe ngokungemthetho. Uma ikhomishana iqala namhlanje kuvele ukuthi uMcBride angeke akwazi ukuvela nokuvezwe ummeli wakhe.
Mr. McBride is not able to appear today or on the 29th. To be cross-examined, but that he is in principle available and makes himself available in that affidavit to do all three sets of cross-examinations on the third date, the 13th of August.
Ithimba labammeli bakaNhleko eliholwa nguAdvocate William Mukhari lithi konke lizokubeka ezandleni zikasihlalo wekhomishana.
I've seen the notice that was sent to Mr. McBride insofar as Mr. Nhleko's request to cross-examine him and the notice from the commission which informed him as way back as on the 10th of this month. And that is clearly more than 15 days. And he will have articulated these views much earlier in order to save unnecessary costs that were expended. But of course, we can't really take we can't take the matter any further except to say that it is not up to Mr. McBride to decide that he be cross-examined by all the legal teams on the 13th, because that will depend on the availability of us.
Usihlalo wekhomishana uthe ukuphoswa imibuzo kaMcBride kuzoqaqula ukuthi abammeli bakaNhleko bazobe bekhona yini ngalelo langa kanye noMcBride. Ubese hlehlisa ke ukuphoswa imibuzo kaMcBride.
The cross-examination of Mr. McBride by Mr. Nhleko's counsel is adjourned to a date to be determined.
Ngombasa wonyaka odlule, uMcBride watshela ikhomishana ukuthi uNhleko wammisa emsebenzini inhloko yama-Hawks annual dramats kanye nababili ababesebenza nabo ngokuba ingxenye yokuphindisela ngokungemthetho eZimbabwe abantu abayisihlanu ababekuleli ngokungekho emthethweni. Inkantolo yawahoxisa kwesikhashana amacala ababebhekene nawo. Njengamanje kufakaza owayengungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uNkosinathi Nhleko neqale kuba nomdonsiswano ukuthi ufuna ukuphendula imibuzo ngendlela afuna ngayo.
The fact of the matter is that there has been a range of issues that have been said.
Yes.
And that the issue at hand,
yes,
we don't need to be selective about it. We need to, first and foremost, to be able to walk through and answer the critical question. And the critical question is what happened and how it happened.
We are not going to do it like that, Mr.